going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan, and if you're new around here, I absolutely love modifying cars. Whether it's something small like a set of floor mats, shift knob, to the larger ticket items, wheels, or even a full custom front end conversion like on my Dodge Viper, I can never leave well enough alone. So modifications both big and small help transform the car and make it my own. So today, we've actually picked up an armrest cover from the folks over at Kustom Interior. So this is gonna be the first small step in taking the interior from my C6 Corvette from mundane to extraordinary. So the good old Chevy interior quality from the early 2000s, it leaves a lot to be desired. So this Kustom Interior armrest cover should help liven that up. So one of my biggest takeaways for me is not only does it give it a more personal touch and helps me stand out in the sea of other Corvettes, but during the summer, when I'm hot and sweaty, I don't have to worry about marking up my factory armrest with my sweaty forearm. So this should be a very easy install, so let's jump into it. I want to preface this by saying you absolutely do not have to remove your center console in order to do this install. Kustom Interior makes it so easy, this just slips right over. But I want to demonstrate how snug this thing fits on the console to give it that factory look, and how much better in comparison this product looks over your factory plastics. If you decide you're feeling froggy and want to remove your center console as well, Chevy makes it easy. It's just a Torx bit, it's a T10. There's 4 of those bolts and it should pop right off. Although it's not required to remove your center console, I would definitely say it's gonna be a lot easier to manipulate our cover with it off the car, just so that way you're not fighting limited interior elbow room trying to slip this cover on. Because like I said, it's gonna fit factory flush, so it'll make it easier off the car. One thing I noticed and wanted to point out was look at the leather differences between the seats and then our factory center console. Like it clashes so much. It's not even like the same type of leather. So I think our cover should fix that, help it match with these seats a little better. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our cover on our armrest. So again, much more easy to manipulate outside of the vehicle. For comparison, look how much better these materials match towards one another. So our factory leather seat and then our Kustom Interior cover. Before we get the console back in the car, I wanted to point out how well this cover contours to the center console. And the trick is to actually get this elastic below your release hinge here. So that will kind of give you an idea of how to line it up. Now that the cover's on and snug, we're gonna go ahead and throw it back in the car and see how it looks. Here's our finished product. I love it because it's kind of OEM plus compared next to the leather on the seats currently. So it matches really well. Plus, like I said, once I'm cruising around summertime, I don't have to worry about marking up the factory plastics underneath. But fit and finish, it fits smoothly, installs easily, highly recommend. Gotta love an easy install. Oftentimes it's the little mods like our armrest cover that go a long way, especially without stretching your wallet. So I'll make sure to link Kustom Interior in the description box below, so that way you can check them out for yourself. They have several offerings for Corvettes, Camaros, Challengers, Mustangs, so they might have something for your car. But I want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because here at the Chaos Car Club, we are exclusively unexclusive. So we love everything from JDM to American Muscle, bikes, trucks, you name it. It's got a motor, it's right up our alley. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next one.